Good morning. This is day 2 of total knee reconstruction. My overnight stay at the hospital was really nice. Um, and the nursing staff here has been great and wonderful. Um, and yeah, taking care of me pretty well. I should be home probably later today. Didn't sleep great through the night, just because of pain and interruption, because they're monitoring my pain throughout the night. So they'll wake you up, check your vitals, give you more pain medication if you need it, and then I fall back asleep and then wake up and stuff. So it wasn't a great night's sleep, but all in all, I feel good this morning. A little groggy, but that has to do with pain meds. And yeah, so 9 o'clock I start my physical therapy and see what the happens there. We get to work on, they have a really cool thing in the ortho room. There's a car that they practice getting in and out of the car. And so hopefully we'll tape that later and you guys can see how that all works. Again, I make all these videotape promises, but then when they're actually happening, I forget to videotape them. So day 2 of recovery from full total replacement surgery. Again, follow me on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Subscribe below. Hit the little bell if I go live, which might happen today. Who knows? Again, making promises. And you can follow my journey of rehab. So right now I'm fighting for total ability, all my abilities back by the top of the year. So it gives me 3 months to get rocking and rolling. So follow me on that. You'll see all the exercises I do, my diet, my daily activities and stuff like that. You'll see all about that. Oh yeah, follow me on Twitter as well for quick updates. All right, until next time, be well, be healthy, be passionate. Full out or sit up. Full out or sit out is my motto this year. So I really want to get to that full out stage of my dance and my life. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.